Hiniling naman ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure o ICI sa Department of Justice na maglabas ng Immigration Lookout Bulletin Order o ILBO laban sa ilang mambabatas. Kabilang na po sina dating House Speaker Martin Romualdez, Senador Francis Chis Escudero at gayon din yung mga dating senador na sina Nancy Binay at Bong Revilla. TJ Mendoza sa balitang niya.
Declaring the province of Pampanga as the culinary capital.
Inimbitahan na ng Independent Commission on Infrastructure o ICI si dating House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Layo nitong pasagutin si Romualdez sa mga nangyaring insertions sa 2025 national budget at ang posibleng kaugnayan nito sa mga maanumalyang proyekto kontra baha simula nung siya'y naging Speaker ng Kamara.
The ICI will be sending our invitation to the Congressman hopefully this afternoon, and we will course it either directly to his office or through the Secretary General of the House of Representatives.
Ito na ang pangalawang imbitasyon ng komisyon laban kay Romualdez. Ang unang imbitasyon kasi ay hindi na ipadala sa dating Speaker.
There was one before, but I believe it was not sent because at that time we had so many resource persons at that time. So we issued another one and made sure that this time we will announce it to the public and at the same time send it to the Congress.
Samantala, idadaan naman ng ICI sa Secretary General ng Kamara at tanggapan ng Ako Bicol Party List ang sabina kay resigned Ako Bicol Party List Representative Saldico.
The Independent Commission for Infrastructure has also issued a subpoena duces tecum and a testificandum against former Congressman Elzaldi Zaldico. This is with regard to his personal knowledge from the time he joined the Committee on Appropriations of the National Budget Insertions and his involvement in DPWH flood control projects.
Aminado ang ICI na limitado lang ang kanilang kapangyarihan sa ilalim ng Executive Order 94 na bumuo sa komisyon. Pero may paraan paaniya sakaling hindi daluhan ng mga inimbitahan ang paanyaya ng komisyon.
Then we have to go to follow proper procedure, which is going to the courts and probably file a petition for in their contempt.
Samantala, hiniling na rin ng komisyon sa Department of Justice o DOJ na mailagay sa Immigration Lookout Bulletin Order o ILBO ang 33 personalidad na nasasangkot sa mga maanumalyang infra projects ng gobyerno. Kabilang dyan sina Romualdez, Senador Chis Escudero, Jinggoy Estrada, Joel Villanueva at dating Senador Ramon Bong Revilla. Kasama rin sa hiling sa Lookout Bulletin Order ang mga kongresista na una ng pinangalanan ni Carly Diskaya sa pagdinig ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Naninindigan naman ng ICI na panatilihing closed door ang investigasyon sa kabila ng dumadaming panawagan para sa transparency sa pamamagitan ng pagbubukas ng investigasyon sa publiko.
The policy will remain that there will be no live streaming because we're trying to prevent something. We're trying to prevent the commission from being weaponized by any individuals. No? We don't even know if the statements there are true or probably said to confuse the commission and even the public. So we have to be careful with that.
TJ Mendoza para sa mata ng Agila, matatag, matapang, matapat.